Oh, what do we have here? Entitled brat attacks police for taking her phone.
Who are you on your phone with? So we're gonna have to seize your phone. So go ahead and hang up.
Seize my phone for what?
Go ahead and hang up.
Why?
Go ahead and hang up.
They want to seize my phone, but I'm not under arrest for it.
You're not under arrest, but your phone's gonna be seized.
No.
You're gonna hang up the phone.
I'm seize my phone, but I'm not in custody.
Listen.
There's three of them all around me.
So listen.
The best thing you can do is just listen to the cop and give him your phone. I don't know what the hell you done did, but if they gotta take your phone as a college student, you done did some dumb shit, and I'm just gonna keep it a buck with you. How the hell you get caught where they need to take your phone? I mean,
Listen for a second. So the fire's gonna be under investigation.
That's fine.
Okay, and we're gonna seize your phone.
Why?
Because the fire's under investigation.
I need to know why my
So you can hand me the phone, or I can take the phone.
But I need to know why my phone's being. They're not telling me a reason why my phone's.
I just did.
But you said it's under investigation, which I.
So listen to me. The fire.
That's her phone.
So the fire is going to be under investigation, and your phone's going to be seized.
Is Shay?
Yes, everybody's phone's being seized.
Oh no, because you never told me that my phone would be seized when I got.
bring in an attorney for what?
here. She didn't tell me that.
Okay, and when I got here, the detective wasn't here. We were waiting for the detective, so the detective's going to seize your
But
phone.
no one told me any. You told me that you were about to take me home.
Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and argue with you. So you can hang up. You can hang up the phone, and I can take you home. Yep.
So. No, they're not taking my phone and letting me leave. I don't know what I'm finna. It's 4 a.m. I can't go without my phone.
Well, how is she gonna go?
Right, where am I gonna go without my phone? If I do the interview,
That's up to you.
Well, if I do the interview,
You can go do the interview, but your phone's going to currently be seized.
Can I talk to him first? Can he come down here? Cause
Nope, we're not going to do that. So you can hang up the phone, or I'm going to take the phone. That's how this is going to work.
oh, absolutely not.
So
She said hang up the phone and they're gonna take the phone because at this point I'm being threatened.
it's not a threat. I've asked you several times, and you're just going to go back and forth with me.
A reason as to why my
So,
phone is being taken.
so the fire is going to be under investigation by the fire department. So stop. Don't interrupt me.
What does that have to do with my device?
So don't interrupt me. The fire is going to be under investigation.
Don't ever tell me not to fucking interrupt you, and I've been this calm.
So the phone's going to be seized. So in a second, I'm going to take it.
I'm asking you. I'm
So if
asking
you,
you a reason.
so
The cop is being super, super nice, by the way, because I would have been took that shit.
I'm not being rebuttal. I'm asking you a reason.
so if you would like
But you're dealing with somebody's kids, so you know how that goes.
to talk to the detective, you can.
Why is my phone being seized?
If you would like to talk to the detective that is seizing it, you can. Do you wish to talk to him?
Yeah, but
Do you want to give an interview?
no, I wanted to ask him why my phone's being seized because she said she could take me home, but without my phone, that doesn't make sense. It sounds like they're.
So are you going to talk to the detective?
No, I need everyone to come and tell me why my phone's being seized because no one told me this until right now.
So
Because it seems like
that the
he's
question.
petty.
No, it
seems like he's being petty because he woke
Okay.
up and I won't do the interview.
So
'Cause this wasn't
so
fair.
the question. So the question is, are you going to talk to the detective?
As a matter of fact, are you recording this?
Are you going to talk to the detective and provide an interview? Yes or no?
Is that with or without the phone?
Without the phone. The phone's being seized. Are you talking to the
Look at that cop over there. He's just sitting there chilling.
detective or no?
Phone.
I don't know. That's not my question.
I need an answer to that before I
So the question is, are you going to provide an interview?
No.
No? Okay.
Unless
Go ahead and hand me the phone.
I have to know if my
Go,
phone is
no,
being seized.
go ahead and hand me the phone.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Do not kick. Okay, push your legs out. Stop. Relax. Relax.
Like a big-ass kid.
Relax.
Mom, not letting go.
Relax.
We just want your phone. That's it.
We just want your phone.
They're trying to give me no protection.
Taylor. No.
Oh. Okay.
Stop kicking.
See, I'm trying this. I would have started tickling her under her arms. She would get laugh, and I would have just said, "Thank you." Gotcha, bitch.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Taylor,
Turn her to that way.
this way toward me.
Give me.
Roll.
Give me your hand, Taylor.
Which way we roll?
Give me your hand. I almost.
I'm going to keep doing the pressure point until you let go. Let go.
Got this hand.
Let go and let God.
Release your other hand. Release your other hand, Taylor.
I got her elbow out. Right here. I got her wrist.
Got this. Who has cuffs? Cuffs.
Okay, you can let go.
Watch out, look over. Relax.
I got it right.
Oh my God, y'all put me in cuffs now.
Yeah, that's pretty much how prison goes, or getting arrested.
You are under arrest. Relax your arms.
Under arrest for what?
You know, on a second there.
Is she on something?
Oh my God, I'm filing the case as soon as I
What the hell did she set on fire though?
get off this floor. You all have no right. I came down here willingly because you're a black woman.
Get up.
So,
Okay.
Hold on.
I want you to think about how you're doing another black woman.
Okay.
When you go to
Relax. Relax.
You just put me in handcuffs and I came down here willingly.
Do you need to hear a double lock?
You did not come down there willingly.
Willingly. Get off of me.
Stay down.
Nope.
Stay
Relax.
Down. Stay down.
Get me off the floor.
Relax.
Stay down.
Why am I on the floor?
All right, Taylor. Okay, we're gonna roll this way.
Why
Ready?
are you pinning
Nope.
me on the floor?
We're gonna get you up. Relax.
Still
Relax.
stand me up like I'm a fucking human.
We're going left. We're going my way. Roll my way.
We're going your
Roll
way.
my way. All right, stand up. Go to your knees, Taylor.
Y'all just okay with this, all of y'all. And you a black woman. You are a black.
What does that mean? Just because she's black, that mean you supposed to act crazy as hell, and she's supposed to be like, okay, Taylor, since you're black, let's go ahead and just, you can do whatever, break the law. Come on now.
Property.
Where's the phone at?
You're black.
All right, we're going this way.
They're white. I expect it from them. You're black, dude.
Okay, you also kicked me in the head, so.
Ooh, assault on the Leo.
Also, I came down here willingly because I trusted you. And look at what you're doing.
Are you willing to provide a statement or no?
What does that mean?
Why would it be like, boy, fuck your statement? What you talking about? You just take that statement and shove it up your ass. I'm going to jail for no reason.
Are you going to talk to me if we go back there or not?
You are forcing me to.
I'm asking you if you're going to
But you're forcing me to.
I can't force you to talk.
You're taking my
It must be cold in that building. Them nipples
I'm
hard.
seizing this for now, yes.
What does that
Do
mean?
you want to provide a statement?
My detective, I need to talk to her. I need an attorney present.
Okay.
I need a lawyer.
Gotcha. He thought you about to get a statement. Shit.
All right,
Take me.
where's her property?
Whatever charges you guys have.
You have resisting and aggravated battery of a police officer.
Oh my God. Okay, I'll do the interview.
Hell no, it's too late now,
You
baby.
still have the charges.
I didn't aggravate you. You
You
assaulted
kicked
me.
Okay, so relax.
You assaulted me. I'm 18 years old and you assaulted me. Of course I'm aggravated. I wasn't resisting arrest. You
She was aggravated, so she aggravated assaulted the officer.
didn't say that on your record.
The acts just keep aggravating.
Are you arrested? Are you putting something on my record?
You're being arrested. I asked you, so listen, don't.
You better not be trying to go to the medical field, cause they don't do that shit. But if you trying to go to the medical field, you trying to be a nurse or anything, you can't even have so much as a motherfucking speeding ticket. But some jobs in the medical field, they don't be tripping because they really need them doctors and some nurses. But I think that's once you have experience and shit.
I asked you to provide your phone and you refused, okay? When you
I mean, you didn't give me
Nope.
a reason.
So, nope. I said your phone was being seized.
You
said,
never gave me the
Don't interrupt
reason.
me. Don't interrupt me. I said your phone was being seized.
I asked you the
I gave you
reason.
several times
I
to hand it to
trusted
me.
you. That's why I
You did not
came.
hand me your phone, okay? Then we took your phone.
I came here
You kicked several
willingly.
officers. You're going to jail.
I kicked you out because you all were manhandling me. I couldn't move. I was
Yeah, we don't
scared.
really kick police officers, but
I was scared. Hello, you would do the same thing.
Cuffs still have to be double locked if they weren't double locked back.
they weren't. Go ahead and double lock them.
Double lock them. I can't move. Are you guys serious right now? How are you gonna do this to me? I'm like, bro, I just got out of high school and you all are scaring me. From
You just ruined your life pretty much.
Do you mind?
Or Kazi,
who am I talking to?
I'm just doing paper, but
I'm not busy. I'm
Yes.
You do.
Yes.
Okay, it's not going to affect any charges they have on you.
Okay, then just. What is happening right now? I came down here because I thought I was doing an interview. Why am I in
I'd
cuffs?
like to still interview you. That's not.
But why am I in cuffs? I'm scared. Why are you all touching me? Why is my stuff being seized? You told me I was coming here for an interview. I came here under false pretenses. That is the case itself.
Do you want to go back and talk or not?
There will be 3 cases filed in the morning, I promise you.
Yes or no? Do you want to go?
Let's go. Let's go to the cage jail, wherever we're going. I need to make a call. I get 1 call. I know that much.
I'm parking this way. If you want to
Okay.
I get 1 call.
It's crazy that he gonna sit there and say, "Do you still want to do the interview after she going to jail?"
I know that much.
Have 2 people going.
Do you want to go with him? Do you have
I
something or no?
I'm just.
Do you have any charges for this?
No. You're resisting aggravated battery.
I resisted give me no reason. You cannot search me or take my items with giving me no reason. So that you have a case for. And it was an aggravated assault.
She might have a point, depending on, you know, where they at.
It's called defending myself when I feel that I'm in harm's.
But at the same time, if the cops ask you to do something, whether it's against your rights or not, you still gotta comply, and you take it to court, and you beat their ass there.
And that's the situation that you put me in because I thought I was coming for an interview. And now I'm in handcuffs without a phone.
I patted her down. I'll search her right now.
Why would you lie to me?
I didn't lie to you.
You did lie
I
to me.
did not lie to you.
Time. You told me he was here when we got here. You told me I was doing an interview and you would take me home. Why are you treating me like I'm a criminal? There was a fire at my house.
Correct, and that's what you were here for the interview. You said.
Yes.
So stop yelling, okay? I'm gonna talk to you. You said you were here for an interview.
Right.
Our detectives come in from Bloomington. I don't know how long it takes them to get here.
I wasn't mad at you. I told you that.
I know that. You said you didn't no longer want to do that interview.
Because I'm tired. I said I won't be of much help right now.
Correct. So that's why you went to the lobby. I was gonna take you home.
Right.
At that point, the officer wanted your phone seized.
You didn't say that. You said he wanted.
She did say that like a million times. She did say that they're doing an investigation and they need to seize your phone.
My phone confiscated. You didn't give me that specific reason, ma'am.
Because you were yelling at me for about 5 minutes. So
Because I wasn't understanding, and I'm asking you the same question.
You gonna understand that though?
I asked you the same question multiple times, and you did not answer me.
Put your knees in.
You didn't answer me one time. That doesn't matter to you, and I'm sitting here talking to you.
I tried to talk to you and reason with you.
Weren't reasoning with me.
And you were just
You were
yelling.
just telling me, and I'm asking you questions like a human being. And you're smiling. This is funny to you?
Pretty much.
Okay.
Cause you going to jail.
Taylor, step out for me. I'm gonna grab it. Yep, I'm gonna grab it.
Either these cops are really short or she's really tall.
The suspect was charged with 2 counts of aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer. Following the incident, she filed
It's a nice mugshot.
federal lawsuit against Normal Police alleging excessive force. The case remains ongoing, with the next hearing scheduled for August of this year.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.